Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today, I'm finally, after a month, you know, I had a hard month, over a month now, I'm going to use my mini breaker palette from Jeffree Star. These products are vegan. I thought these are so cute. I still need to work on my big one, but yeah. It's probably gonna wait, but I love the packaging. So fun. All this is like raised. All these platters are like really raised, and it's so fun. I've seen the colors. That's what the color palette does have in here. That's what the color palette looks like. We're just going to go straight into the palette. It does have a great transition and double scoop, and I really don't know what color. You know, I'm probably not going to go uber crazy experimenting today, but I do want to try it out. I want to get a feel for it, and all that. Let's prime my eyelids first. Like, I am a very oily eyelid person. This is the Urban K Primer Potion. So even now I'm starting to get oily, but it's because I've been out of the shower for a few hours. But if I don't put a primer on, they can get oily. Sometimes with primers they might get oily anyway. Like, only parts that are oily on my face are my eyelids and my nose. And I also found out that if I just do a primer that is so bad, or at least like my eyelids just all of a sudden go crazy, they like go through it on a palette I've used, it apparently takes a day or so for my eyelids to reset themselves to the amount of oil they normally have, which I've noticed like sometimes products can do that. Like, I just didn't realize my eyelids would too, but you know, like if you change something up on your skincare regimen and it doesn't work, like makes your face more oily or more like oils will come through or even breakouts, it might take a couple days for your face to reset. Your eyelids can do the same thing, because I'll let you know, but it was a primer that was really hyped up, and it's really opaque and almost white. It really is, and it was great for a couple hours, but man, it was bad. I'll just go ahead and say it. The Anastasia primer, like, I love that it's so white. If you want those colors to really pop, it will. But I was even using just mattes or just like one shimmer in the middle or something, and especially this eyelid, but even that eyelid was bad. It was like all the color went to the crease, like, and it was just look oily and like a slick, and it was bad. But however, you just need it for a look for an hour or two. It probably, like, I will probably revert to it too in here, because it was a nice base, like color wise, and it did like make the colors pop. But after that, it was just like that. And then like the next day I switched back to Milani and my oils came through, and I'm like, so I just made sure to wash it again, and I even toned my eyelids that night, and the next day they were fine. So, you know, Milani held back the oils in my eyelids, and the same eyeshadow palette, like same colors, was working fine. So, just FYI, if you have oily eyelids, I do not recommend the Anastasia eye primer for long wear use. For a couple hours, sure. Anyway, so I'm excited to go into this palette. I will try to use a bunch of colors, like normal, I suppose. Kind of normal for me. I'm going to double scoop first, which is, ooh, try not to dig a nail in that. That top one is a matte, kind of almost like a caramel color. I'm going to go in the shade Foreplay. I'm going to throw that up in like the actual crease. actually translates pretty much that way on that eye, and it doesn't go to a too muddy brown with that caramel color, which does have like a yellow in it, so that is good. It's so reminding me, this Oral is reminding me of the Hypothermia highlighter, how that's in the package, just a little darker, just because the shift in it, that blue purple shift. I'll try like all these colors, except I'm not caring for hot fudge, but whatever. You know, browns and orange, Toby browns are my colors. Orange Crush, because I just want to. It does like an overspray glitter, so I don't think that's really going to translate. I think the color's not going to translate. Because I want to see what it kind of does. Wet. Wow, that surprised me. I thought it was just going to be an overspray, but I can actually see that glitter in the eyeshadow itself as a gold glitter. I hope you pick it up, and I hope you can see it. It's actually really interesting. I thought it was just going to fall out, and it hasn't, so that's good. I want to go in this color that looks like Hypothermia in the highlighter. That little that I accidentally dug my nail into. Okay, it's coming off lighter than I expected, so yeah, I'd probably go in the middle. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that is that highlighter. Oh my gosh, that's what that highlighter in like compact form looks like. Look at that. Oh my lord, that is gorgeous. Oh, if I knew it was that bright, because it doesn't look like it's gonna be that bright, I would have put it. I still put it in my inner corner. I'll bet. I probably will. Who cares? I need a darker color on the outside, but oh my god. So pretty. So gorgeous. I love that. Itsy Tetris, and I'm going to go into the shade Purple Punch White. I'm going to go into purple because I just want to see how the purple blends, the straight up purple. I'm going to just go purple all up underneath. I'm going to take that same shade. And love. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm not noticing any blending issues. Granted, like my lid is mostly patted on, so what I threw up in my crease blended fine on the bottom lash line, and the outer V blended fine. So any issues on the front go? Kind of go. I had no problems blending, no problems with fallout. Those colors are beautiful. So I am a happy camper. So yeah, oh, and for those of you who have stayed to the end of this video, thank you so much. And I am doing a giveaway. I have a brand new of this in here, which you saw my unboxing Friday. I unboxed this. So this one's mine, obvious by the dent in the freaking shadow where I stabbed it right there with my nail. So this one is something new. So we're gonna go through the 22nd, I do believe would be the 3rd week. So if you want to be entered to win the mini Jawbreaker palette, just comment down below and I'll use a random comment picker, because you know we used to do Gleam, but now Gleam's like can't have them subscribe to you. I'm gonna check to make sure you are subscribed, and I know most of my subscribers. So if you're interested in winning, go ahead, just leave a comment down below saying you're interested in winning, and I'll put you in running for that palette. But don't, you can go ahead and comment. Just say you already have the palette and you're not interested. And you already have the palette. I know some people, you already have the palette. But anyway, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!